revolutionary tool that uses AI to help you learn 7 times faster. Let's dive in. The traditional way of studying just doesn't cut it anymore. Here's where Mindsmith enters the game. It's not just any tool, it's your personalized learning assistant. Mindsmith uses an AI that can transform your studying guides, lecture notes, and even textbooks into interactive learning material. Yes, you heard that right. Let me break it down for you step by step. First, head over to the Mindsmith's official website. The link is down below. Click on Start Free and sign up. Then you'll see a big friendly Create button. Click it, type in the topic of your lesson, and add any important background information. Think of it as feeding your AI buddy with everything he has to know. Under Sources, you can now upload transcribed lectures, textbook paragraphs, and other PDFs that you want to study that are relevant to the lecture. Finally, you can fine-tune your lessons, choose options like lesson type and lesson duration, and you can share your lessons as well. Once you've uploaded and fine-tuned everything, Mindsmith uses its AI magic to understand the content and create a lesson tailored just for you. You can then test yourself by going through that lesson and to learn quickly about the topic you initially provided. It saves you so much time. There you have it, Mindsmith, your secret weapon to learn quickly and efficiently. It's the next-gen studying hack that will revolutionize the way you handle your academic life. Give it a shot and let me know what you think in the comments below. And don't forget, if you want to stay ahead in the game of efficiency, you should subscribe to my weekly email. I bring you the most innovative studying hacks and time management skills every Friday straight to your inbox. The link is below. Catch you next week, kings and queens of efficiency. Stay sharp, stay smart, and of course, learn quickly. Cheers.